Hello, good morning. Welcome to day 8 of my quarantine. So for today is a Sunday, and as you know, as I've been talking to you about this past few days, so I have an accounting finals up right now. So I intend to do it this morning para tapos na. So less anxiety, more rest. So I've been studying all day yesterday. Kaya my yesterday was quite uneventful, except for the swab test. Hindi ko pa rin talaga maintindihan bakit kailangan twice per nostril. So if you have any thoughts about that, then let me know. Tapos kahapon I had a chance to chat with some of my friends. So Cecile naman, who's been one of my scuba diving friends, went to Turkey and now has returned to Seoul where she's currently based. And kwentuhan kami kung ano yung experiences niya in Turkey. She did a photography tour in Turkey, and it's something that mukhang interesting gawin. Of course, when travel restrictions free up. So, for today also a bit of a good news. Dumating on time yung breakfast. So thank you very much for giving me my breakfast on time. And now siguro I'll hop over to my computer and start working on my accounting finals. Again, catch up with you later. Naisip ko lang, para ng confession book to, no? Dun sa Pinoy Big Brother. So ano ba, kuya? So today, day 8, again, uneventful. Actually, marami nangyari. I took my financial account exam first thing in the morning. It's not the easiest exam, and after the exam, you know that feeling, na feeling mo may dapat nagawa ka better. So that's how I feel right now. So hopefully it turns out well. And ang gusto ko lang naman is mag-pass. So that should not be a problem. And then after that, of course, may lunch. So lunch was delivered on the dot. Hindi ko nga na picture kasi I was too hungry from that exam. So, and then in the afternoon, I took a look at the group assignment that we have again for financial accounting. So I provided my inputs. So I let my other group mates do the rest of it. And then I did my final business ethics paper. So apparently my scuba diving experiences can be a source of business ethics cases. So very useful yung my experiences natin around that. And then I did another assignment. So this entire day is all about exams and assignments and eating. So actually, buti na lang I'm taking my MBA, because if I'm not, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko actually na yun. So hindi pa tayo tapos, so there would be still dinner. I'll try to see if I can catch up with some of my friends. And catch up. Let's just catch up and see what will happen today.